Concentrate on your circle. Keep your hands down, shoulders back, look up. Nice, look up. Inside leg, outside rein, outside rein. Good, and come through your cones. Push her through, good. Go ahead and turn her around. Focus on C. And focus on a nice round circle using your legs. That was good. Take her all the way back to the fence and down to K. Stop. Back her 5 steps. Back. Good job. Now go ahead and walk her forward 5 steps. Five steps forward, walk.
Walk.
And stop. Okay, see if you can get off by yourself now. Yep. Put your reins over. Now I want you to change your reins and back her 5 steps. Yep, back 5 steps. Good. Now stand there and look at me and do this. Good job.